Hi everyone, welcome to another video by Optionables. My name is Saket, and in today's video we are going to look at what happened to the markets, what we can expect from the markets tomorrow, and what happened to our trade. Before starting this video, there is one important thing which I would want to tell, that is many people on Telegram and Instagram are creating fake profiles of Optionables, and on Telegram they are also contacting people in the name of Saket and selling them courses or also asking them to pay for their Telegram group. So they're telling there is some premium Telegram group for cryptos and options, and they're asking people to pay and join the Telegram group. So one thing which I want to make clear is that we do not sell any kind of paid services as of now. So we don't have any paid Telegram groups, we don't have any paid calls. So that is one thing which I want to make it clear, and we are also not taking any investments from public. So if you also get a call or a message saying that you can invest with us, so then please don't fall for this, because these people are trying to scam everybody in the name of Optionables. So please be aware of this, and if there is any update, we will be officially putting it on the Optionables Telegram group, Instagram and Optionables YouTube channel. If we haven't put it out on any of these platforms, then please do not respond to such kind of messages. With this, we'll now move on to the market summary and see what happened. So today, needless to say, market was extremely volatile. So initially, if we talk about Bank Nifty, it opened around 32,800. So it went all the way up to 33,500, almost around 700 points higher. From there on, it further came to negative 100 points, which is an 800 point fall. And after falling 800 points, it further went up around 600 points. So the market was so volatile. So if you're an intraday trader, it would have been quite difficult for you to trade if you didn't end up booking the profits then and there. So the thing is, even though we expected the markets to trade in the range of 32,500 to 33,500 yesterday, so we initially took a short straddle of 32,900 itself. So as the market slowly started to head higher, so once it broke 33,100, we slowly changed our bias from neutral to slightly bullish, because the market was going higher and everything was fine. So we slowly changed, okay, markets might now not just consolidate but might find support at 33,000 and head upside. So that's the reason we took a slightly bullish position, and the market also started moving higher, and we were in a very good position up until the afternoon. So 33,000 put option had the highest amount of open interest, and just to play it safe, we had shorted 32,900 puts, much safer than 33,000 puts. And then what happened? The markets, which had gone up till 33,400 and odd, suddenly crashed to 33,000. So this crash just took around 30 to 45 minutes, and all the way from 33,400 it crashed towards 33,000. So now I thought, okay, the market has come down, it might find some support around 33,000, but no, it broke 33,000, came to 32,900, 32,800, 700, and even broke 32,700 for a while. And this time, okay, I was like, market has broken 33,000 decisively, maybe the trend might have changed. That's the reason we closed all our put short legs and shorted calls again. So all the put legs were closed and we started shorting calls. We changed our view from bullish to bearish. And then not even 5 minutes after changing the position, the market started bouncing back up. So we had shorted at 30 rupees, and within next 5-10 minutes, that 30 rupees CE, that is 33,100 CE, from 30 rupees shot up to 100 rupees within just 5 to 10 minutes, and we didn't know what to do. And again, we had to cover that position also in a loss. And finally, the market ended around 33,100 itself. Even though the market did end above 32,900, and we were right with our initial view, and we were also right with the initial view what we had yesterday, that the markets might consolidate between 32,500 to 33,500, still we couldn't make a single rupee of profit because it was so volatile. So forget about making a profit, we went to a huge loss of close to around 7 lakh. But luckily, towards the end, we were able to recover around 1.1 or 1.2 lakh and came to 5.8 lakh. So what led to this volatility? We don't know. But the funny part is, in spite of this volatility, the VIX ended up crashing 2%. So we really don't know how this happened, but still the VIX ended up crashing around 2%. And if you look at the sectorial indices, most of the sectorial indices today ended in green. But the thing is, all the sectorial indices, maybe except auto, saw a huge amount of volatility. So today, auto sector ended up doing the best in Nifty. So the index was itself up almost around 5%. That means on an average, all the top stocks would be easily up around 4 to 6%, anywhere in this range. So today the top loser was Reliance. Reliance also came down around 1.5%. And overall, if you look at it in perspective of the markets, so today was actually a good day in the sense. So even though we saw huge amount of selling in the middle, immediately there was some bounce back and the market almost ended at high point itself. So in the morning we tested 15,600, came down and further tested 15,600. So in that sense it is quite good. But the thing is, until we break 15,700 on the upside, we still can't tell the trend is changed. So one thing what we are getting to witness now is whenever the market is falling, there is some very good support both for Nifty and Bank Nifty, because today again we saw that 32,500 held as a very good support. Immediately there was a bounce back, and even for Nifty 15,200 is acting as a very good support for Nifty. So this is the summary of what exactly ended up happening today. Now coming to what we can expect from the markets tomorrow, again we can expect a broad based consolidation until we break 15,700 or until we break 34,000 for Bank Nifty. Till then we can expect Nifty to consolidate in the range of 15,200 to 15,700 for next week, and Bank Nifty to consolidate in the range of 32,000 to 34,000 for next week. And one thing is US is looking fairly positive. When you look at it, yesterday US was indicating a 2% gap down. It did open around 1 to 1.2% gap down, but immediately we saw a recovery and US ended in positive. So this is a very good news, because even in US there is some good amount of buying happening at lower levels. If the same trend continues, we can expect Nifty also to slowly head towards 16,000, and if that happens, that is again going to be a positive news. Now coming to what happened to our trade, needless to say, I think I have already explained the entire volatility scenario. So because of this, we ended up losing around 7 lakh, but towards the end we recovered around 1.2 to 1.1 lakh. So totally ended around 5.9 lakh negative. So this is what happened to today's trade, and we have been getting requests as to why we aren't showing the chart. So the thing is, since we haven't taken a lot of intraday trades apart from today, so previously and all we just had the positional trade and we were just carrying the positional trade. So we never really took any new trades, and that's the reason I felt it was not necessary to show the charts, because there was no trade which was taken. It was just the positions which we held and carried it forward. And finally, if you have liked this video, do not forget to hit the like button, share this video and subscribe to Optionables. Thank you so much for joining.